Let us first learn simple addition. The first box contains 1, 2, 3 penguins, and the second box contains 1, 2 penguins. Now add the penguins in the first box and the second box. We write this as 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Take the next example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 Tweety birds in the first box and 1, 2 Tweety birds in the second box. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Let us see one more example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mangoes in box 1 and 1, 2, 3 mangoes in the second box. Therefore, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Adding one-digit numbers with two-digit numbers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 donkeys in the first box and 1 donkey in the second box. Now add both the numbers. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 balls, and here we have 1, 2 balls. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. Now count the brinjals. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 brinjals. In the second box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 brinjals. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Commutative property of addition. This means 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 gives the same answer, that is 5. Let us see this example. Here there are 1, 2 apples plus 1, 2, 3 apples, which is equal to 5 apples. In the same way, 1, 2, 3 apples and 1, 2 apples will give you the same total of 5. Therefore, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. Let us see one more example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 birds in the first box and 1, 2, 3 birds in the second box. That is 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. Again, below there are 1, 2, 3 birds in the first box and 1, 2, 3, 4 birds in the second box. That is 3 plus 4, which is also equal to 7. Therefore, 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 4. Addition of 0 to a number. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 apples in the first plate and there are no apples in the second plate. We can say there are 0 apples in the second plate. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4 only. Any number added with 0 gives you the same number. In the same way, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cups in tray 1 and no cups in tray 2. We say it as 6 plus 0 is equal to 6.